And we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin Market Update. Today is January 23rd, 2020. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. Get out. It's possible that it might get a little bit of a bounce here and you might be able to sell on the 9. But yeah, we're just totally saying it's a get out of it situation. It's rolling over, and it rolled over hard. What we were looking for yesterday was possibly another bounce to bring us into that back test of that 200-day moving average, but we just didn't get it. Now, it could happen again, right? It still could happen. If you pulled out your Fibonacci's, you might get a bounce somewhere, maybe even the 618, possibly. Because when you're thinking of an ABC correction, it's A, B, and then a long C. So, it's possible we'll get a bounce at some point, but right now it's a stay out of it situation. The overall trend is now down. It doesn't look good for Bitcoin right now. It looks like these targets over here at 66 are going to play out. Honestly, that's just kind of the way I see it right now. We also have, if you're paying attention to the Lucid SAR, it is now a sell up here. We're now getting overhead pressure, pushing down. We'll see what happens, but BTC, USD, stay out of it. Let's jump into LTC, BTC, and let's hit that watermark real quick. All right, LTC, BTC is... Let's see, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it's a get out of it situation. So Bitcoin is a sell, Litecoin Bitcoin is a sell, and let's put that in right here, lock it down, and let's check out our gains. So if you got the close of this candle and the close of this one, you got 8%, okay? When you got in, got out. So it's okay. Like it's better than the stock market for sure. LTC, BTC, get out of it. Stay out of it. How about if I just say sell, right? Buy, sell. Okay. LTC, USD, it is now a sell also. Ooh, Litecoin out of here. Boom. I got a feeling a lot of these have rolled over finally. ETH, BTC, still a buy. ETH USD, still a buy for now. Tezos XTZ USD is still a buy. XTZ USD, still a buy. Bitcoin Cash BTC, it's a buy. Bitcoin Cash USD, oh boy. Yeah, we're just going to get out of this, right? It's all right. We'll just lock it down. Bitcoin Cash USD is still a sell. Bitcoin Cash BTC is still a buy, but I'm not sure for how much longer. I would be cautious of this 9-day moving average if it breaks. ETH Classic BTC, ETC BTC. Still a buy. Ethereum Classic USD, still a buy. XRP BTC, still a buy. XRP USD, it's now a sell. Boom. Had a rough day today. We're going to put that right there. Lock it down, and turn that into a sell. EOS BTC, still a buy. EOS USD, still a buy. XLM BTC, still a buy. XLM USD, still a buy. Rep BTC, stay out of it. Rep USD, it's for sure a sell now. Zero X BTC is still a buy. We're going to see how this one closes today, but it's possible it's rolling over. 0x USD is still a buy, believe it or not. ZEC BTC, still a buy. ZEC USDC, still a buy. Algo USD is still a buy, though depending on this tomorrow, it might be a sell. Watch out for that SAR. Okay. Right now, you might want to just get out of it anyway because the trend came up and then rolled over and with no gains. So if you want to break even from back here, you might want to exit. But we're just charting the trend. If this turned out to not be a trend, it'll be probably a flush trade. Algo USD still a buy. Link USD still a buy. BAT, basic attention token USDC, still a buy, but barely. GNT USDC, oh boy, stay out of it for now. We're looking at a potential buyback here soon, but right now it's still a sell. Mana USDC, and it's over. Yeah, this one rolled over hard, so we're out of that. Boom. This was one of the ones we had to keep an eye on. It went full circle all the way up, all the way down with no gain. That's okay. That's totally fine. If you're trying to catch trend trades, you're not going to catch them. You're not going to catch these little moves. We're only capturing big moves. Mana USD is now a sell. Boom. Loom USD. What was Loom doing? Loomy. Stay in it. Civic CVC. Stay in it. DNT USDC. Oh boy, stay in it. It is rolling over, however, and if you got out now with a flush trade, it would be absolutely respectable. Atom BTC, we're still staying out of it. We've got our daily 9, right? That it is just flirting with right in the middle, and Atom USD is definitely a sell. So these are both sells. Going back to Bitcoin, BTC USD, we broke that 9-day moving average, right? And now we broke it with authority. I don't like this. This is flirting with the 20-day moving average. The way this parabolic SAR, what this is telling me is that we're going to get a move down here, probably to like the 75 area right here. I think we're going to break down into probably the bottom of this top of the Kumo cloud and then into the middle of it. That's kind of what I see now if we get full-blown rejection. Total market cap is $225 billion. And now from yesterday, that was a big dump. It came down lower. Let's wait for the indicators. There you go. Okay, so now we have full-on rejection of this 200-day moving average. The falling volume led the way, and now price action is following volume. Look at it to come on down to the top of the Kumo cloud, most likely. It doesn't look good here. Total 2 market cap is also got some falling volume, and if I was looking at this, I would say we're in a get out of it situation right now, where you're probably going to see a back test of the Kumo cloud also. Bitcoin dominance, however, this is interesting. People are leaving their altcoins and today coming back to the big daddy Bitcoin right here. So I like to see this. Moving averages are starting to work their way back up. Volumes coming back into Bitcoin. Others dominance. Let's check this one out for the daily. Come on, load. Yes, volumes leaving others dominance. So altcoins, people are leaving altcoins for 2 things: cash or Bitcoin. So that's the way we see it now. Jumping back into Bitcoin one more time. See if we see anything fresh here. Not really. RSI looks pretty rough. It doesn't look good. Let me clean up this chart real quick, as if that's even possible. Let's look at something here. I want to point something out to you with RSI, something that I see relative to my RSI, the one I use. Okay, so, oh, come on now. Come on. Give it to me. All right, yeah, that's good right there. Okay, so with RSI, what do we have? Well, right here on RSI, we went from green and we broke, with the price action came down, this relative strength came down, and it broke below this moving average, turning it red right here. So from here, basically all the way down to here was in red territory for RSI. That was a pullback right there. then leap over this big guy, and starting right here, right, it turned red on RSI, which is down here. And if I pull this up a little bit, you can see that RSI turns red right here, and boom, it goes green. All right, and then right up here, boom, it went red again. And that coincides with big pullbacks right here, all red. These are all red with the RSI. Now come over here, we got a big RSI, we got a big pullback coinciding with the big red on RSI, right? This was a major dump, a big pullback. But look at this right here. They're starting right here. Red on the RSI is starting this pullback. So you're looking at, this is just the beginning. Now, this slow moving indicator right here, the green and the red that switches back and forth on my RSI, can still travel to the upside like it did right here, even though it was red. So you see almost like a divergence here, but price action is leading the way and just dumping. So anytime I see red on RSI, that means big trouble. Look for this 66 area to be back tested right here with a prolonged pullback, possibly. It might even happen. It might even happen over here as close as like a middle of February. But as of right now, I'm still thinking, March 5th ish, plus or minus. But yeah, that's the pullback happening right now. That's it for today, guys. God bless you. I hope your trade's going well. Leave me some feedback. Let me know how things are going for you. Hopefully they're doing well. We will see you in the group. I'm out of here. See ya.